In today's Legal on 4, giving and getting. That's the beauty of the dollar-for-dollar tax credit when you donate to specific organizations or programs. Our legal contributor Craig Wisnom joins us now with details. First of all, what's so special about these credits that aren't included? Because don't we get a break on federal?
Well, you may. But for these Arizona income tax credits,
Yes,
which are specific to Arizona income tax, basically the state of Arizona reduces your Arizona income tax by $1 for every dollar you give away that qualifies for these credits, which means it doesn't cost you anything net if you're paying Arizona income tax to give money to these charities under these specific requirements.
So you have a very good example in the notes that you sent me about, for example, if your income tax rate is 30% and you make $100 qualified donation to charity.
Right. In the normal charities that qualify for people that itemize, if you give $100 to a charity you like in Arizona or in a different state,
yes,
basically it saves you about $30 in income taxes. So it saves you some money, but you're still having to put money out of your pocket to benefit the charity. With these Arizona income tax credits for the working poor, for tuition organizations, and for public school fees, you get, a dollar-for-dollar reduction. So if you give $100 away and it qualifies for the Arizona income tax credit, it saves you $100. Charity gets their money, doesn't cost you anything.
That's beautiful.
Cost the state of Arizona some money, but yeah.
Why don't more people take advantage of it? Because they just don't know about it?
A lot of people don't know. I mean, you still have to go through the effort of making sure you're meeting the requirements and you find an organization that you care about, or you think the state of Arizona might need the money too, which may be a case. But yeah, basically that's it. There's really no downside to doing it. You have to pay Arizona income tax, right? Because if you don't pay any Arizona income tax, it doesn't save you any money. Exactly. So there's a few limitations and such, but yeah, it doesn't really cost you anything.
All right, let's talk about the options. The first one is assistance to the working poor.
Exactly. It's giving a donation to an organization that provides assistance to the working poor. If you're single, it's a $200 limit. If you're married, it's a $400 limit. And these have to be cash contributions. And the state of Arizona, and I think we've got a link available, keeps a list of what these organizations are, so you can go on and see if there's any of these that particularly interest you or that are already near and dear to your heart.
And I'm sure there are lots of them.
Absolutely. There's some great ones.
Okay, and there's also one for public school tax credit.
Exactly. This is really unusual. This is for cash donated or fees paid to a public school for extracurricular activities, which include things like athletics, band, my favorite, Lego robotics. And if these not only include money you give to the school, the traditional charitable donations, but they include fees you may pay for your own kids to attend these activities and engage in them. So it may be something you've already paid. So you need something from the public school, either for the donation or for the fees that you've paid, showing that they qualify for this credit. But it may be you've already spent the money on your kids and you want to make sure you get this credit back for Arizona income tax purposes.
And the private school tuition credit.
Right. The private school is a little bit different. It's for an organization that provides scholarships to private schools. Once again, there's a list of these organizations. They're called Qualified Tuition Support Organizations on the Arizona Department of Revenue's website. So they list all the organizations that qualify this. This is good for $500, up to $500 donation if you're a single person, up to $1,000 if you're a married person. And the public school credits, that's like the first one, $200 single, $400 for a married couple.
Okay, we've given out a lot of information here. So Craig mentioned several websites, these different options. For more information, we have posted all of these on KVOA.com. Just go there and you can read more, and possibly there's something there that you're interested in.
Exactly.
Sounds fabulous to me. Thank you so much. All right. Would you pay